Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our overall well-being, healthy lifestyle habits. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of taking care of ourselves. But fear not, because in this video, we'll explore 8 simple yet effective habits that can help you lead a healthier and happier life. So, let's get started. Habit number 1. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A balanced breakfast provides the energy and nutrients your body needs to kickstart your metabolism and fuel your day. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Habit number 2. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, so it's essential to stay hydrated for optimal functioning. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider carrying a reusable water bottle with you to remind yourself to hydrate regularly. Herbal teas and infused water are also great options to keep things interesting. Habit number 3. Prioritize regular physical activity. Exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also improves mood, boosts energy levels, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or hitting the gym. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Habit number 4. Get enough quality sleep. Sleep is often underrated, but it plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, repair, and recharge. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and conducive to rest. Habit number 5. Practice stress management techniques. Chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress levels. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, mindfulness, and spending time in nature can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and balance. Habit number 6. Maintain a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Aim for variety, moderation, and portion control, and limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol intake. Habit number 7. Cultivate social connections. Human beings are social creatures, and strong social connections are vital for our emotional and mental health. Make time for meaningful interactions with friends, family, and loved ones. Whether it's sharing a meal, going for a walk, or simply chatting on the phone, nurturing relationships can provide support, encouragement, and a sense of belonging. Habit number 8. Practice self-care and self-love. Finally, remember to prioritize self-care and self-love in your daily life. Take time to do things that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether it's indulging in a hobby, practicing gratitude, or simply taking a moment to appreciate yourself and all that you are. Remember, you deserve to prioritize your own well-being. And there you have it, 8 healthy lifestyle habits to incorporate into your daily routine. By making small, positive changes, you can take control of your health and create a life filled with vitality and happiness. Click the link in our profile or in the description below to get our recommended healthy living products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy and balanced life. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's prioritize it together. See you in the next video. Take care.